This short guide shows how to buy shares of Doximity Inc., ticker DOCS. Doximity is a healthcare technology company listed on the NASDAQ, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to buy shares, and I will use eToro as the example platform to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify the account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform's search box and type the ticker DOCS to find the company quickly. Select a result that clearly indicates Doximity Inc. to open the stock page. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it is Doximity Inc. Make sure the listing shows NASDAQ and the DOCS ticker so you have the correct stock. To invest, tab Buy or Trade. Enter the amount you want to invest and choose the order type. Then review the details carefully. Confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued. And if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once executed, your Doximity position appears in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to the eToro example is provided in the description below.